how to delete secure storage in Messenger. Now, this is a very simple process. So before moving on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now, let's delete our secure storage. First, make sure that you have downloaded your Messenger and updated it to its latest version. After doing that, just open up a Messenger app. And then after you've opened your Messenger app, go to the top left button. After you click that, you'll see this page open up. Click on the gear icon and then you'll be directed to the settings. After you go to the settings, if you scroll down a bit, you will see privacy and safety option. Click on that. Now here you can see there are a lot of options that you can select, but the one we want is end-to-end encrypted chats under security. Click on that and you'll be presented with two options. One is message storage and another is security alerts. Click on message storage. After doing that, if you scroll down a bit, you will see manage secure storage. Now under there, for Android users, you will have the option to delete secure storage, but in iPhone or iOS, there might not be the option available. If you have that option available, click on delete secure storage and then you'll be able to delete your secure storage in Messenger. But in iPhone, there is no such option, so you can just turn off your secure storage, and from that point on, your data will not get saved. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to check out our other tutorial videos too, and then share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.